Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 4. This module, we're going to be talking about numbers, time, and date. So we have the readings like always, some videos to watch, and then for the listening, you're going to hear phone numbers, and that's similar to what is on the quiz. We also have something here that says upcoming assignment pronunciation project 1. So in module 5, we have our first pronunciation project where you're going to read a text and aim for clear pronunciation. So what we have here is just some videos that go over the different vowel and consonant sounds. So, I mean, we always want to keep those in mind for every week's assignment, but especially with the pronunciation project coming up. So just make sure you review those videos before module 5 when you submit that pronunciation project. Okay, so for the assignments, we have the homework packet like always. The speaking assignment this time has 2 parts. So in the first part, you're going to answer questions about yourself. And then in the second part, you're going to ask questions to a patient. So you can just submit them all in one file, just have like part 1 and part 2. And just make sure you do both parts. And then the quiz like always. Let me know if you have any questions y nos vemos pronto.